Today we're going to show you on if anytime your Bale treatment table it makes a sound whenever adjusting, we recommend applying like an all-purpose grease. One of the popular one we recommend is the Blaster Multi-Max because it has a straw applicator area. You can really get nicely close to the joint areas to apply the grease. We recommend applying it on the left side as well as on the right side, but besides applying in between the joints, we also recommend applying grease onto the motor itself. You can access it through from the underneath and applying an all-purpose grease around here. Again, you don't want to use the WD-40 because WD-40 will dry out. You want to use an all-purpose grease and apply it here and move it a few times and it should get rid of any sound.